Hello everyone, I'm Anushri from the CS vertical in Rajasthan Circle, taking care of data and devices. It's a pleasure talking to the HR leadership today. Well, data natives and data aliens and migrants are very commonly used terms these days. In light with the average age of the organization that we have, most of us cannot fall into the category of data natives, but we can at least ensure that all of us are data migrants, comfortable and conversant with data. So we've been partnering with the HR team and we are driving a lot of activities and initiatives to build that kind of data capability in our circle. So we've obviously gone through this basic step and basic hygiene step of getting all the employees 3D certified. But we've also gone beyond this with a wide range of other activities and initiatives which we've taken to start with having a very well equipped data center, data experience zone in our circle, in which not only employees can come here and experience and explore internet on wide range of devices that we have on display, but we've had occasions where we've invited students from several schools and colleges and also conducted certain activities for employees' children as well. In addition to this, keeping in line with the organization's initiative of increasing the smartphone allowance for employees, what we did was tie up with several smartphone manufacturers like Sony, Samsung, Nokia, etc. They've come here and demonstrated their handsets, features and explained their utility to our employees. As a further measure to educate our employees, what we've been doing is sending out weekly mailers in the form of App of the Week and other useful information to employees, which we've been running successfully over 20 weeks now. Data flows from the youth, so not restricting these initiatives to our Airtel office. Here, we've also taken these service camps out and gone to several schools and colleges and set up these service camps, wherein our marketing and CS teams have actually gone and interacted with these students. So what more could we do? This time, we took the entire concept of data to a larger platform, to a mass level, so we incorporated it into our ECF, wherein the activities were conducted, people performed, etc., and everything was posted on Facebook, and that's how the people voted for the different activities and events.
This is the future. Therefore, we have added an exciting feature to this event.
आपको बता दूं, हर परफॉर्मेंस के बाद उसकी एक फोटो एयरटेल राजस्थान के FB पेज पे अपलोड की जाएगी. If you enjoy the performance, just hit the like button.
जिस परफॉर्मेंस को सबसे ज्यादा लाइक्स मिलेंगे, वो होगी.
तो बस निकालिए अपने स्मार्टफोन्स और दिखाइए अपना जोश.
The question and answer round, the e-chopal that we had, wherein our CEO posed questions to our guests, Mr. Rohit and Mr. Krish Shankar. Employees actually posted those questions.
आज के चौपाल में आपके लिए बड़ा, I was going through the questions. All has come from some of the employee, okay, and some of them are still coming. I was checking my Facebook account. There has been a Facebook account where they're actually plugging in the questions. So those we will address.
So our latest initiative, which you must have heard about, is a Data Premier League, an inter-department data event, which we had just to test which function is the most data savvy function in our organization. We had activities spanning for over 3 weeks and almost 10 teams participated, EC team also being one of them. And after these 3 weeks, we had this one winner, which was the CS Warriors from the CSD team, winning IPL tickets. Over to Shekhar in the circle, who's with the DPL winners for an interview.